mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave, and if you're not new here, hey girl. In today's video I'll be working with Original Queen Hair, and they went ahead and sent me this 6x4 HD lace closure pre-cut lace pre-plucked ready to wear wig unit, and it is in 14 inches and water wave. As you guys can see, this unit is just absolutely stunning. The curls are everything, and let's jump into today's tutorial as I show you guys how to get your unit looking like this. It is 100% glueless and I'm just living for it. So let's jump into today's tutorial.
Last night I saw you stunning, and I started recently. I knew you too. And just like a moment, you were too shy, but you weren't the only cause, so was I. And I dreamed of you ever since. Now I built up my confidence.
Alright you guys, so I finally have the unit on my head, and as you can see, you're literally seeing where the pre-cut lace is a little bit too heavy. So what we want to do is go ahead and cut off the excess in that same zigzag motion. So you're going to follow the pattern here and just snip like that, as close or as far as you possibly want it to be. Doesn't really matter, because if you were to melt this lace, it would have done just fine. It's really nice thin lace, but I'm just, you know, following that same zigzag pattern all the way back to the top, and I've successfully done it where, you know, everything has came together. Now it's blending very much seamlessly. I'm going to put it back down, and I'm going to proceed to do my part.
Next time you come my way, I know just what to say. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name. I started to reply, that's when I knew. Yeah, circumnavigate the globe as the cash grows. Get a nigga whack like you get the grass mowed. I'm talking slick when I'm with the big slime, nigga. You can hit your bitch, you can never hit mine, nigga. In my DM, they electric slide, nigga. No catfishing, this is not a fish fry, nigga. Never switch sides on my dog. Catch a contact, hit your ride, go to Mars. Everybody say, how could you come about your face and say I ain't the hardest nigga you never heard? I left up like a rapper's dead and bird. The verse for me is like 11 birds. It didn't let us like $2,000 every word. I'm on the verge, I beat the church. I kill some niggas and I walk away from it. Then I observe just how you curve. Then told a nigga that they gotta wait for it. I know you ain't hot demand. I'm balling on the pussy nigga like you want a man. I'm drowning all inside the pussy like I never swear. Hey, fuck your IG, I put something on your sonogram on the man. Meet me at the London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. Just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on a money 9-2. We just say a word and I run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's when I knew. Yeah, I know. Perch talk, I can make a brick walk. Up, north, down, south. Make it a picture walk. Hit it with a little water. Stretch it like a vocal cord. STD, I run my ward. Fuck a fed and his daughter. I'm a ready come down. That's a lot of sugar and bread. I got a man and she gon' ride. She took a quarter and she fled. I'm in a limo, she gon' ride. I see the pain and shawty play fries. I'm at the London with some big thighs. No fries, she steaks with the fish size. Did your mama tell you something on 5 stop, rock and roll? I've been on the road like a past manners of stop and go. Yeah, I can charge him like a Dutch and redeem it.
Alrighty, you guys, so I am finally back and finished. This gorgeous wig unit is from OQHAIR, original queen hair, and they went ahead and sent me this 14-inch water wave bob. It is a 6x4 HD pre-plucked, pre-cut lace closure, ready to wear and go wig unit, and this gorgeous unit is in water wave. I'm living for the curls or waves. They are everything, and this unit is 100% glueless. I didn't have to use any glue, any adhesive, nothing, and this wig is literally amazing. It's really nice and full, so that's nothing you have to worry about. And this hair is actually like really nice and tapered, so I love it here. The curls are not 100% dried down, so when they are, you guys are gonna see that this hair gets fuller and fuller. But as for right now, we are probably at like 85%. The curls are really nice and soft, and the mousse and moisturizer and water combo is just eating these curls up, and as you can see, they are everything. So if you'd like to purchase this gorgeous unit from OQHAIR, which I would highly recommend, the links will be in the description box for you to purchase. So don't forget to go ahead and check that out and let them know I sent you. I'll have coupon codes, discounts, all that good stuff, and the link to their website in the description box as well. So without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye, babes.